What's up, guys? You are watching Ceylon Ranking YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss our project. I will explain this again from the beginning because some guys they have come up with some difficulties of implementing the project, and they do not have a proper understanding about the what is the structure of this project. So basically, I will explain these things. Our project is we are going to implement the house price prediction system. House price prediction system. Okay, house price prediction system. Uh, uh, to implement this one, I will be using. We are going to implement this as a web application. And web application, that means you can the customers can see, and customers can by using this web applications, customers can predict the price of the houses according to the features of that one. So the algorithm, the data science algorithm that we are using for this one is the regression model we are using for this one. And then now I told that I will be deploying this application as a web application. So in order to deploy this thing to the cloud environment, I will be using Heroku, and as the server I will be using Flask server to develop this application. And also for the front end decorations, I will be using Bootstrap technology. Okay, those are the things we are using for this application. Okay, we will be explaining end to end this project. First of all, what we want to do, we want to have the data set. So to get the data set, I will be getting that data set from the kaggle.com. I have already got those what we call data set from the Kaggle. Just I will be showing you how to get that data set. Just go to the Google here and yes, there's a little bit lagging of the internet. Okay, now it will be fine. Right, my data set is Bangalore house price data set. Okay, you can just type in the Google Bangalore house price data, then it will be navigate into this site kaggle.com. Okay, this is the data set, and from here you can download this one. Okay, you can download this one and put it in your C drive. Okay, put it in your C drive. So I have already downloaded that one, so I will be directly going to the place where I have downloaded that one. So in my C drive. Okay, this is my C drive, and in this C drive I will, I have downloaded it as the Bengaluru house data ZCSV, this one. Okay, I just sorry, I will be going to this one. Just go to the properties of this one, and here this is the path. Okay, just copy this path, and you have to open your what we call you have to open your Jupyter. So I have installed my Anaconda navigator. So run this Anaconda navigator, and there you can find out what we call the Jupyter notebook. Okay, let's some time to load the Anaconda navigator. Okay, from this Anaconda navigator you can have, Anaconda is a package management system, dependency management system. It has several things you can get from that one. Not only the Python dependencies, or non-Python dependencies also you can get from Anaconda. That's why I am using this Anaconda. but you do not want to use Anaconda here. Somehow you have to get this Jupyter notebook. So you can go to the what we call Google Colab. Okay, just go to the Google, and you can just write in the Google Colab like this way. You can just write Colab, Colab, and you can get what we call from this place. You can go to the Google Colab, and you can open what we call this IPython notebook. That means it is the what we call our Anaconda Navigator. Okay, it's not Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook. Okay, you can go like this way. Okay, you can do the same code in here, but since I have installed this one, I will be going with Anaconda. So here you can come to this Jupyter Notebook. Okay, and then this Anaconda Navigator, it will be showing the things which is available there. So I will be launching this notebook here. Okay, you can go with the Google Colab also, but I will be going with the Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda Navigator. Okay, let's some time. Now it will be loading. Okay. Yeah, it is loading. Once it is loaded, okay, you have to now I have told you from my previous videos how to install pip and how pip pandas and pip numpy. Those things you have to do, and also you have to install Python here. Those things I'm not going to do here. I will be just importing the libraries which are available. So I will be going to this new, and this Python 3 I will be taking. This Python 3 I will be taking here. Okay, let's some time to load. Just now it is okay. Now what I want to do, I can type the things. I can import the what we call my things. So import pandas as what's that PD, because then after this words I can use this pandas as PD. Then import numpy as np. These things we have already done. Now again I'm doing the same things in order to make you understand in the things. Okay, then I will run this one. Then what we want to do, I want to have the play. I told you that uh, I have put my data set in my C drive. Just make sure you put this pwd command, and it should be in this location, the default location. Then you don't want to put any path. Okay, you can just type the name of the data set, and you can have this one. So that I will be taking a data frame. Why I'm using this data frame command, then I can make it as a tabular format. That's why I'm using this df command, data frame. Use this pandas to read the data set, read underscore csv. Okay, then the name of the what we call the data sets, I have already copied the path of that one. I can just paste the thing. Then you can have like this way. I can then run this one. Okay, in order to make run, you can put this run button, or otherwise you can put shift and enter, shift plus enter. You can run like that, but it will be easy using that button. We'll see the things. If you just put df and run this one, you can see the data set here. This is the data set, and it will be like 13,320 rows and 9 columns available. These are the columns, and here like this way the rows are available. Right, then come to this part, and we'll be seeing how is our head of this one, because I want to see my data set here. the head, and I will be with this run button, and you can see the head part of the but the problem is I didn't put now again the same thing is available because I didn't put the head method here. Just put the head method, def dot head, so def dot head and put brackets, then only you are using this head method. Now run this one, then now you are getting the head. Head means the upper part of the data set, and if you want the bottom part of the data set, you can use the tail method and get like that way. I will be using the shape and see how is the number of rows and the number of columns that is available like this way, and I want to have the information of my data set, so I will be using def info method. So you are getting it like this way, the information. From this information, you can say that now that these columns, the available columns, the how many non and null count of this one, the availability of the things and area type, these whole rows, it is available. This is also available, but you can see this society is only 7,880. There some missing values are there. This also, some part of the part are missing, like 16 missing will be there, but here one missing is their location. And balcony, you can see only 12,711. The price is already okay. Now why I am getting this information, then I can understand from my data set what are the missing values. If we do this data analysis with this missing values, why my analysis is not that accurate. So I want to what I want to do, I want to somehow fix these missing values. So I want to, if there are some anomalies, I can remove those things. Okay, that's why I'm getting this information. Right now, what I'm going to do, I will be checking these columns one by one in order to get a clear picture of these things. I want to have these columns one by one, the whole information of those things. Then I can pre-process those data. Pre-processing means check the missing values and check the anomalies and fix those things. So I will be using a loop here, but guys, you don't want to understand these things what we call in a strong way. Later on, I will be explaining how is these loops are working and the things. Here, you just follow me. You just follow the things what I'm doing. You just code the things by the way that I'm explaining. Just get the rough picture here. Later on in the second practical, we will be explaining all those theorems, all those functions and the things I will be explaining. You just don't worry and you just follow the things. Now I am using a loop. Later on, you can understand, you can think why this loop has used here. For now, we are using this for loop here for column. Now I'm using column in, right, what I'm going to do, then my data frame df dot columns, right, put like that way and put the colon here. Then you can use the method print. Okay, see what will be happening. The data frame df, put like this way and put the list here, column column, right? Then put a dot here, value underscore, then counts, right? Then this, okay, right? Then well, again, then here where I'm getting all of my columns one by one using this method, this for loop. That means for loop means it is repeating the thing. What you want to do, you want to take all the columns and you want to separate the columns by using a particular symbol. Therefore, again, I will be using a print inside bracket, put quotation marks and put star or hyphen, anything you can use. I will be putting star here, then it will be easy to understand, easy to visualize the thing. And we will be putting 20 stars to separate the what we call each column. Now what I'm doing here, I will be taking columns one by one, and understanding what are the contents of those things. To separate each columns, I will be using this type of star pattern, 20 stars in a horizontal way. Okay, then I can see and I can go into each column and understand what are the things available there, right? What we will do, we'll run this one. Okay, see now what is happening. Now this is the first column. Okay, first column. Okay, that is the area type. Okay, this is the area type column. Okay, in the area type column, when you go to this one, you can see the things available there. Then it is in the area type. It's given even with the data type is int. Those things are going like that way. Now this one area type like 1111 things are there, and December 300, 295, 270, 200 like that way. Then the availability column is, it is the second thing. These things are included there like that way, and then the location is given, right, like that way it is going. Okay, like that way we can see by using this star mark separation, you can see about each column. Okay, right, then okay, now this dotted mark means that there are plenty of rows are available there, right? Then what we want to do, we will now we are going to fix the missing values. Before that, we will be understanding what are the missing values available there. Then so that there is a special method that is df.isNA. Okay, df.isNA method. When we use this one, it will be returns Boolean values about the missing values here. When you go like this, so you can see false, 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 false. That means related to missing values, the Boolean is no missing values. But in some cases, it will be available here too. Okay, true, like that way is available. Then what you want to do, you want to fix those things. Okay, right? To fix those things, okay, what we going to do, you can use this one df.isNA method, isNA method, put a dot and sound this method, right? What it does is it returns the number of missing values in each column. It will be saying what are the missing values in each column. Okay, what I want to do, I will run this one. Now you can see each column, the missing values. The area type, it is 0, no missing values. The availability 0, location, there is 1 missing values. The size 16, society 5502, total square feet 0, bathroom means 73, balcony 690, price 0. Then now you can check about these missing values, and you can check in these columns if some columns, if those are not that essential, you can remove those things. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will be dropping some of the unessential columns, so that I can use this df.drop, df.drop and put this type of bracket, and we are going to drop some columns. So CULUM means columns, equals, okay, what are the columns that I'm going to draw? Put it as a list. Okay, there this area type I don't want, because I don't want the type of the area. So I will be writing it as area. It is the same manner you want to write. So what I want to do, I will just copy this one. This thing you just copy and paste it here. Okay, like this way, and put a comma. If you want any other things, you can do the same thing like this. This availability also I don't want. Okay, just put Control C and come to this one and Control V. Now and put this single quotation here. I don't want this availability part also. And then comma, what are the other things? The society things also meaningless, I don't want. Then this, just copy this one, Control C, come to this one, put single quotations. Okay, then Control V, the society things, that is also not needed. What about the balcony? Balcony also, there are some 609 missing values, so I don't want the balcony as well. Just Control C, come to this one and put a single quotations and Control V. Okay, now these things I don't want. That's why I have put these things as a list, and I want to remove these things. Okay, after this list, okay, put a comma, then in place, write in place, okay, equals true. You like to say put. Okay, now it's okay. You can run this one. Okay, there is some error. You can see what is that error? Key error. What's that error? Okay, this one. Okay, the df dot drop, that's okay. And here columns is equal. Okay, what about this one? The area underscore type, that's okay. Availability, that's also okay. Society, okay. Balcony, yes, it is correct. In place equals true. Okay, what has happened? What has happened there? Well, we'll see the message. Here area type not found in Axis. Area type, area underscore type, area underscore type is not found. We're telling it like this. Just zero this one again, this one. Okay, that's okay. I think the missing the indentation of that one. Okay, indentation of that one is wrong. That's why it has come like that way. Okay, now it is okay. Okay, right. Okay, right. Then we'll come to this one. Okay, then we'll see the description. Put the describe method. Then run that one. Okay, then you are getting the statistical analysis of this one. Okay, I will put the information thing df.info and see now how is the information which gives there. Okay, now see the location is 13,300, and now these are our essential columns. Okay, the rest of the columns we have removed, and these are the columns that we are taking for our model. The location is 13,319, but actual value should be 13,320. That means there is one missing. How about this one? Size is 13,304, but it is real value should be 13,320. 16 is missing. Total square feet is okay, and this one is more than that one, so we have to fix that one. And the price is okay. Okay, now we are going to fix these things. Okay, then again we'll put first the location and DEF. We'll put this way location, and put here dot value underscore counts, and this method, run this one. Okay, in the location we are going to put the missing values. Yes, it is like you are getting in this way the result you are getting. Then it is clearly said the location length is that in 1304 and the data type is int, like this way. Okay, we know that the locations, the value is 13,319, isn't it? This location is 13,319. So we want to add another one. So from here we will fix another one. 399 will add one, then it will be become 13,320. So what I want to do, any of these locations we can add one. So I will add this for this one, this Saja Road. I will add that thing, so we can use the fill now for this to fill the things. df, okay, df then data frame, okay, then here location, okay, here then equals df location, okay, then dot fill now, and put brackets, then this one, put a single quotation here, this Sajapur Road. I will copy this one, Control C, and come to this one, Control V. Okay, okay, then run this one. Yeah, we got it. And then what about shall we see about the other things? This size, that also we want to put size and see. We put df got it like size. Just put size. Okay, dot value. Yeah, underscore counts. And run this one. These are the counts of the size there. Okay, then we'll fill it. Is what we call the size. Will fill using this what we call BHK2. To this BHK2 we will put, okay, we will put to this BHK. Then df size, single quotation size, okay, df size equal what's that, df, then what we call size df size dot fill in bracket to PHK, isn't it? Just okay, take this one, Control C, come to this place, okay, Control V, right, Control V, and this one. Okay, that's also okay. Then what about this bar? Bath, that is also we have to fix. Okay, then how do you fix this one? Now it is more than the value. isn't it? 247. We'll be putting it to the average value. So what we want to do here, I can fix it to the average value to this one. df bar equals df. So do the same thing what I'm doing here. Bar, right? We are going to fill it. Dot fill now. Okay, fill now is the command. Fill the things. Then df. Okay, put the list. The bar. Okay, bar. And after that, you can put here. Okay, here put the median. Is that correct? What I have done? Yeah, fill now. Why did I put this one? This normal bracket should be there. Right, path and put median. Okay, median bracket here. We'll put the median. We will put the median area, yeah. Median and close this one. What about this then? We'll go run. Okay, that's okay. Now we have fixed several values. Okay, we'll see how is the information then. Info. Come to this one and run this one. Okay, you can see now all those things have fixed. That means we have fixed the missing values there. Okay, that is the way of fixing the missing value. Okay, then what I'm going to do now, here when you see okay, right, okay. I think I have seen something in the VHK values. VHK. Here, somewhere. The range of something I have to seen related to the VHKs. Okay, then first we'll see that one. DF has a VHK equals DF size. Okay, the dot string dot split. We are going to split this one. Split then dot str, that means string dot get 0. I will be later explain why I am doing like this way. As type, you put your commands, the things why this is happening like that. Then I will be explaining the things. Since the time is going, I will be doing like this way. I will be explaining. I know that you will be getting confused by using this one. Okay, then we'll say the information about this df dot bhk. We'll just take the information df dot info df dot info. Okay, we got the information now as the earlier. We'll put the df df.phk greater than 20. That means the bathroom should be greater than 20. Okay, bath, number of bathrooms. PHK values. This PHK value is 17, like that way is available. It has to be greater than 20. We'll take the, it should be greater than 20 only. We will take, then greater than 20. We run this command. Okay. Then df list will take the total square feet. Yeah, the third thing we are taking this total square feet. Copy Control C, just take the Control C here. Put here Control V, then it is paste in that one, and put it is unique. Keep UE unique. Right, like this way. Put and run this one. It is coming as error list. Then we will be putting a function here. Def convert range. Okay, this is the most difficult part for you because you do not know anything about the functions of Python. But wait, be patient. Okay, just do the things what I'm asking you to do. Then yeah, you please comment the things what you didn't understand. Okay, then I will be creating a separate video to make you understand those things. Okay, because otherwise it will take some time to finish these tutorials. Okay, so we'll be going like this way. You just type the things to enhance your coding capability. Then after getting the picture of these things, you can understand those things later. We put this way, the separation. Okay, then length LEN is 10 TEMP is equals to 2. Put the colon. Then return the bracket row. Okay, 10 0 10 0. Okay, the index is 0 plus 10 0 plus is that okay? 10 0 10 0, yes, 10 0 plus dot 10 dot 10 here. Then you want to come here, you will put this one, the index the 1. Okay, then you're getting this way, right? Divide by 2. Okay, then we'll put try catch, this one, try the exception handling, return this try, return dot except then return none. We will see what will happen here. Coming to this one. Okay, here. What's that? We'll see. Convert range. Yes, then 10 equals average of split. That is also correct. 7 1 2 3 4 7 tries. Yeah. Indentation is that the indentation. What we'll do, we'll remove this one. Part will remove. We'll write it again. Depth. Okay, depth. Message is convert range. It's the convert range, isn't it? Convert range. Yeah, convert range. X. M. I didn't put the ball in here. Then 10 equals x dot split the bracket there and let's put hyphen here. Then equivalent 10 then equals 2 colon with 10 bracket 10 and this is 0. This is 0 plus this is 0 plus 4 bracket 10 property code 1 divided by 2. Any mistakes? So 10 plus 4 1. This mistake here. It will be a mistake here, right? Okay, I think now it will be okay. Okay. But I think it is the mistake here. Then we'll put it right. Try. Yes, that's right. Return. So we put the except here. This is the exception handling of Python. Don't worry there. Except return. Within now it will be okay. Yes, that's fine. Then we'll take the total square root here. Here put the single quotation. This one takes total square root. Copy this one from here. Paste it here. And it equals df. Okay, what are you going to do df? Total underscore square root is Okay, apply, 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 here, convert range, convert range, here, and this, yes, that's okay. Then def, dot, convert range, X, get the message I have put here. That's open up. We'll check the head here. Okay. Now what about the head? Right now the header is quite good. Now price per square feet. We will be checking price per square feet. I will put a mark here or the heading here. Here I will put price per square feet. Price per square feet. As a heading, I will be putting here. Price per square feet. And this would be the here price per square feet. This one. What is the meaning of price per square feet? That means price divided by square feet. Okay, I will be naming this one as price. This is user defined one. Underscore QFT. QFT. Price per square feet. This one. Yes, this one. Because I haven't defined this one. Yes, I have to define this one because price per square feet I didn't define. So what I will do, I want to here we put a cut here. Okay. Price per square feet I want to define. Okay, then DF put here price per square feet, price per square feet is QFT will put equals DF price. Okay, this price, what I'm going to do, we are multiplying by 100,000. Okay, then we are getting the price per 1 lakh. We are getting, and we will be dividing it by our data set. Okay, that means we are dividing it by the total square feet. What I'm doing, we are taking the price of the house and we will be multiplying it by 100,000. Okay, then we are getting the prices for 1 lakh. Okay, then we are getting a sufficient number of value there. That's why I'm doing like this. Say the price, what we are going to do, multiply by 100,000. 3, 4, 5. Okay, and divided by the total square feet. Total square feet here, total underscore QFT, total square feet will be like that. Total underscore square feet. Wrong here, yeah. Then we see for this one, EF, this price. Just copy this one. Paste it here. Yeah, keeping the values like this way. Paste the square feet. Then we'll take a description here. DF to describe. DF to describe. Okay, we have it in the description. Mean values, minimum value, and the next thing like this here, getting the things. Then okay, we'll apply what we call the function to our location as well. We'll do like this way. df location equals df. First of all, I want to define this thing. df location dot value underscore counts. We'll take the counts and we'll do the operation. Move on. We see about this thing. Okay, these are the locations. These are the locations. Okay. Right, for these locations, you can see some kind of differences between these locations. And here, you're getting the value as 1, 1, 1, like that way. So I will be using a function for this one. df location equals df location dot apply. They are using the special thing lambda lambda x. That's that x dot strip then down location underscore count equals df location dot value underscore count this way and this way. Okay, that's also not there. What you want to do, then we'll see the location count. If the location count is less than 10, we'll say we will remove this one. Okay. Location underscore count underscore less underscore 10. This is the special thing that I'm defining here. Then location underscore count here, location underscore count less than or equals 10, less than or equals 10, less than or equals 10, location underscore count underscore less underscore 10. This is then df location equals df location dot apply lambda len media lambda x colon other if x in location underscore count underscore less underscore 10 is x. And right there like this way and in you can directly go here if you want, but I will put like this way. Okay, that's enough for this one. Okay, the next thing we are going to discuss about the outlier detection. Okay, we put the heading here, outlier detection. We'll put that thing there. Outlier detection. Why you so I think we'll not mark down and take the heading like outlier detection heading and come to this one and run this one. Outlier detection. We'll see these parts. In the next video, we will be having another 2 videos. Then we will be finishing our total project. Okay, there are many more things that you haven't understand. But the thing is, you just hold the things later on and put the things but you didn't understand in the comment section. Later on, we will discuss this. Okay, thank you very much.